Hello everyone, this is Ginny Mole from CS department. In this video, we are going to see about Java source file structure from the subject Object-Oriented Programming. This is the Java introduction. Java is an object-oriented programming language which was developed by James Gosling and colleagues at Sun Microsystem in the year 1990. Java is a simple language, that means anyone can learn the Java easily. Java is a compiled then interpreted language. Java is a platform independent one, that means Java program can be executed on any platform. Java is a portable one, that means Java program can be easily movable from one system to another system. This is the introduction about Java source file. Java source file is nothing but it is a text file that contains one or more class definition. This Java source file must be saved with the extension of .java. If you want to create the source file, you have to use the editors. The editors are Notepad, NetBeans, Eclipse. Using this editor, we can create the Java program. These are the sections of Java source file: documentation section, package statement, import statement, interface statement, class definition, finally main method class. Among these sections, main method class is very essential. Documentation section, it is the suggested one. Other section are optional one. The first one, documentation section, it is the suggested section. It is not executed by the compiler and interpreter. It is only used to understand the code. It is a set of command lines that give the name of the program, author name and other details. Example, author Joshna matrix addition program. These lines are command lines. These command lines are executed by the compiler and interpreter. Next one, package statement. Package statement is the optional one. It is a group of classes, interfaces and other packages. It is used to prevent the name conflict, to control the access, to make searching and locating process very easier. The keyword here used is package. The syntax to create the package: first you specify the package keyword, then you give the package name. The next one, import statement. This one is the optional one. The import statement make the external classes available to the current Java program at compile time. The keyword used here is import. If you want to import only the single class in the package, you give the command import, then package, main package, then you give the sub package. If you want to import all the classes in the package, means you specify import package dot, then you give the star, then you give the semicolon. Example, import keyword, then you give the java.io star semicolon. So in this, Java is a main package, IO is the sub package and star means it includes all the files in the IO package. The next one, interface statement. It is the optional one. Interface is like a class, but it includes a group of method definition. The keyword used here is interface. Syntax, interface is the keyword, then you give the interface name. The example, in the example, first you give the interface keyword, animal is the interface name. Next one, class definition. The Java program may contain one or more class definition. The keyword used here is class. The syntax, first you give the class keyword, then you give the class name. Example, in the example, class is the keyword, rect is the class name. Last one, main method class. It is the essential one. Every Java program must have the main method. This is the essential part of the Java program. In the Java program, there may be many classes, but only one class must have the main method. Then only the Java program it will be executed. Example, the class sample, class is the keyword, sample is the class name. Then you give the public static void main method. Then only the program will be executed. This is the Java program. First give the documentation section. In the documentation section we give the author name and date. This line it will not executed by the compiler. Then we give the class name. Class is the keyword and hello is the class name. Then you give the main method. So in the main method you print the welcome message. So finally output, for the output first you compile the program. For compiling we use the javac command, then you give the class name. So that here the file name is hello, the hello.java. Then you run the program java hello. So finally the output is printed. Thank you.